Action! Okay, so I'm John Piper.
I'm Janelle, Guido.
We're so happy to be here at SwingTime 2018. This is our Saturday morning workshop, and we worked on linear connection. We first kind of gave you some tips about frame, which Janelle always puts better than me.
So we talked about just standing as tall as we can, right? Dancing like a dancer, and taking our core and wrapping it around our spine, right? And then not thinking about our frame as locked arms like this and having the tension come out from our arms. We talked about having the arms relax from our shoulders, right? And then, as I face my partner so you can see it, and then I lifted up my arms like I was just carrying like a tray, and then thinking about like opening and closing a drawer, right? Because no one goes this to the drawer, right? Just right here. As I was here, right? So I'm not here. This is my zone.
Cool. From here, what we did is we talked about extensions. So extensions are our main form of connection in West Coast swing, and we're pulled away through this. So we established that sense of being away from each other, and we started with the followers doing their rhythm, maintaining that. And leaders, we're giving feedback. So if you practice this at home with someone, it's really great to go, yeah, that feels awesome.
And I'm staying in the stretch this whole time, so I'm not searching for compression. I'm creating the space in my body. So don't go into
Yeah, that doesn't push into me. It stays pulled away the whole time. Cool. And then likewise, leaders, we did the same thing. Walk, walk, trip, full step, walk, walk, trip, full step. And the difference being, if I move my body backwards and it moves my follower's hand,
I will come
frame, body, makes them go forward. So we're trying to keep that stationary. We applied this to our passes and really talked about how this maintains, we did it at the same time. So from here we had walk, walk, trip, full step, walk, walk, trip, full step. Okay, we moved into compression after this, where we talked about like how much there's a need to develop that skill because it doesn't necessarily show up all the time, but when it does, it's pretty important. So we talked about the middle of your sugar push, 3 and this 4 kind of like quickly happening and bouncing out. So we really want to make sure that when our followers move into us, that we've now communicated this is extension, or this is compression. So from this moment, we just kind of walked slowly where our followers went slower than us, staying compressed the whole time. And then we also kind of put that into a sugar push. So we added some struts to it. So we went walk, walk. Our followers' intention, their body is held into us every step until we disengage and slow down. So from here we had step, 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 trip, full step, off of that. And then the last little bit we did was our leaders scroll off of it. So we changed things up a little bit. We compressed on 2, 1, compressed 2. You can tell I'm compressing because of where my intention is. Where is my body? Is it towards my follower, or is it still kind of maintaining that away? So when we set this up into 1, compressed 2, now we're in the same isolated position with this hand that we were before, where the hand stays consistent, trip, full step, to move off of it. And then one thing that was pretty useful, leaders, that I don't know that we talked about enough, is if you allow yourself to have all of this space to extend out, this will look a lot more interesting. So we're bringing it in, 1, 2, 3, and 4, really opening back up. So now it looks like we actually did something, finish our last anchor. We are set. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you guys.
And see.
Oh yeah, right.
So, 3, 2, 1, action! Okay, so I'm John Piper.
I'm Guido.
We're so happy to